In an interesting development, HuggingFace has just released one of the largest datasets, Cosmopedia. There has been a lot of discussion in the community around it, and I just thought that I will share my 2 cents with you. But first, let's see what exactly this dataset is. This dataset is one of the largest synthetic dataset generated by Mixtral model, and so much so that Hugging Face has even trained their own model Cosmo 1 billion parameter on it. I will do another video on Cosmo 1 billion, but for this video let's focus on this Cosmopedia dataset. It has over 30 million files and 25 billion tokens. It is approaching the dataset composition of 1.5, but using an open source model Mixtral 8 into 7 billion, which is mixture of expert and licensed under Apache 2 license. They also have shared the creation code on the GitHub, and let me quickly actually show you if I could display it on my screen quickly. So this is the code which they have used in the Cosmopedia. The image looks good, and then they have described that what exactly it contains. Like, it has also got the map world knowledge present in the web dataset, like refined web and red pajama, and also, as I mentioned earlier, synthetic content. And this is a version 1, of course, and it will be evolving a lot in the coming days. And there is a lot of other information which you can find in this GitHub, and also the dataset which I just posted. Now, the thing is that um, these are large corpus web and data to augment the prompt before generating on any topping. So, but I still see a lot of value in this synthetic data, because if the retrieved document contain information that can be correlated, contrasted, or composed in any way, the trained model on this dataset can make this connection explicit in the generated text. So it would also integrate fragmented pieces of information that used to be fed separately before. Synthetic examples made of, for example, something like like Bob is the father of Jeff, would contain also that Jeff is the child of Bob. So no reversal issues there. Analyzing its own training set, this way would add a layer of introspection and self knowledge to the model, and maybe it might help in reducing the hallucination. But there are issues with this generation of purely synthetic way without references, because it would have not that much value. Because, for example, say you have a task and generate 10 solutions, then you use the model to rank and analyze the solution in order to find its own mistake, to detect uncertainty and inconsistencies. A way for the model to self-evaluate and report on its outcome may help model be more self-aware of their own limitations. But having said that, I think pure synthetic generation is good from the model, but they should also engage some sort of human in the loop too. So lower perplexity and less hallucination can be achieved with this LLM trained on synthetic textbook, because it is primarily a way to distill the knowledge of a model, such as this Mixtral they have done here, or even GPT-4 or Gemini, that has been trained on a very wide corpus that includes a great deal of books and web scraped content, which has everything from Wikipedia, academic sites, celebrity gossip sites, video game review sites, and lot stuff out there. Now, there were there are some issues too, because even the useless data could be included in this, and so beware, because it's a synthetic data and LLM make mistakes. So this data could have factual and inaccurate things too embedded in it. So I believe that one thing we also need to first clear that model learns in the way that a human being would. I don't think so, because LLMs just do whatever they are being told to do. So that is where I think we need to be a bit careful. All in all, I still like this data set, because if you're just looking to do some SLM or small scale LLM, and you're looking for your for a good synthetic large corpus of data, then Cosmopedia is a good choice. I'll drop the link to it in video's description. Let me know your thoughts on it. What do you think about it? And there's a lot of other information on this. You can go in and you can load it. And as I said, there is also this Cosmo 1 billion, which I'll do the video shortly. So stay tuned. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.